Okay, so we're going to be looking at nets and recognizing shapes from their nets. So click pause, write down your lesson objective, dates in Welsh, and then we move on. Okay. First task is to draw a net of this cuboid. There's our cuboid there. Unfortunately, a couple of sides are not visible. To make it easier for us, got this 5 by 4 by 2. We're going to construct them as if they were visible. So there's our shape. First one I'm going to construct is the base. It's 4 by 2. We'll put a 4 by 2 base here. Then we're going to construct the back, which is going to be correct, 5 by 4. And the front, same measurements. Now we can do the sides, 2 by 5, and the other side 2 by 5. And all that's left is the lid, the top, and we can place that on any one of the sides. So I'm going to place mine here. And that's the net. So it's the shape unfolded. If I fold it back up, then I get my cuboid back. Your turn in your books. What I want you to do is to construct a net of this cuboid. As before, I'm going to start with the base, which is 3 by 2. So in your books, using the squares, you can have a 3 by 2 square. Okay. Then you take the back, which is 6 by 2. So 6 squares going up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 3 across. And then we can do the front, the same fashion, 6 by 3. And then we do the sides next, which are going to be 6 by 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 by 2. And the same on the other side, 6 by 2. And the lid, which is 3 by 2, I can place anywhere. In this case, the most suitable place to place it would be here. And as we said before, if I fold this back up, I get my cuboid back. Once you've finished, make sure you label the shape, base, back, front, sides, and the lid over the top. Slightly different dimensions now. 4 by 2 by 5 cuboid. Click pause and construct it. When you've finished, click play again. You can check if you're right. Make sure you label each side once you've finished. Base 4 by 2, back 5 by 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 by 4, and the front 5 by 4, the sides 5 by 2 and 5 by 2, and then the lid, which we can, as we know, we can place anywhere, and in this case we're going to place it there. Label your sides. Good. And a slightly different shape now. Anybody want to say what it is? Triangular prism. With dimensions here, 4 by 7 by 3 and by 5. So we're going to construct a net of this prism. First things first, I'm going to draw the base, which is 4 by 7. Then I'm going to construct the rectangle 3 by 7, 1, 2, 3 by 7. And the other rectangle then, I'm going to draw the sides first, which is 3 by 4 and 3 by 4 again. And once I've drawn the 3 by 4, I can construct a diagonal then. I don't have to worry about measuring with 5. And the other rectangle here, 5 by 7. Okay. Back to lesson objective. If you're happy with that, move on. Okay, so second topic for the day. Faces, edges and vertices, the 3D shapes. So what I want you to do now is click pause and make some notes. Get your lesson objective down and the keywords down. Good. So 3D shape, and we have, they're all defined by the number of faces, edges and vertices that they have. Tetrahedron here, or triangular based pyramid. And that's the face, one of the surfaces. An edge running along the shape there. And a vertex, or vertices plural, are the corners that you have. Okay. So we're going to look at this triangular based prism, and how many faces does it have in the first instance? Got your base there, you got back, one there and one on this side. So we've got our 4 faces. How many edges does it have? 1 running along there. So our second one, third one, fourth, we got 2 more, 5th and 6th. So we've got 6 edges, and vertices or corners, how many of those have we got? What do you think? 4, correct. So what I want you to do is pause, make some notes, and we'll have a go at the next one there. Okay, square-based pyramid. Same question. How many faces, how many edges, how many vertices? Click pause and then have a look at it again when you're ready. So for faces, we've got 1, 2, base, 3, 4, and 5 faces. Edges, one at the back there, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Got 8 edges, vertices or corners. We got 5. Again, make some notes. Click pause when you're ready. Click play again. And I want you to count the number of faces, edges and vertices on all shapes. So click pause. When you're ready to check your answers, click play again. Okay, hopefully those went well. And questions 4, 5 and 6. So click pause when you're ready to check your answers for all 3. Click play again. Okay, go. Okay, good. So what I want you to do now is attempt the questions. Onto your classwork, page 213. Questions 3 and 4, and then once you've done those, turn the page. Question 5 to 11 on page 214. Remember, these sheets are also attached in the assignment.